So if you are capturing your leads from LinkedIn and you want to automatically create this lead as a contact, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see automatically save LinkedIn leads to Google Contacts for digital marketing agencies. So I am running a digital marketing agency and I am collecting all my leads using LinkedIn. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, it should be automatically created as a contact in my Google Contacts. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, and that's why I'm completely going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between LinkedIn and Google Contacts. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, it is automatically created as a contact in my Google Contacts. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I have already created this automation workflow. We are quickly going to test this once whether it is working fine or not, and then we are going to start creating this from the scratch. So here I am going to generate a lead in my LinkedIn, and then as the lead is generated, a contact should be created in my Google Contacts, and this is going to show us the connection setup that I have created using Pabbly Connect is working fine. So here I am going to open this form. Now here I am going to fill only 2 details. The rest of the fields are auto-filled. When you will be running a live campaign, your leads will get to fill all the details. So here I'll enter my email address as latest@pabblytudes.com, and I will enter my phone number like. So this is the phone number. I'll click on the submit, and as soon as the form submission is done, a contact should be created. Let me open my Google Contacts and refresh this page once. And here it is, we have instantly created this lead. So the name was Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. The email address was this, latest@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number which we entered was 626262. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how you can also create this, let's start creating this from the scratch. So here we are going to quickly create this setup. I'm going to build the connection between LinkedIn and Google Contacts in such a manner that whenever and as soon as I receive a new lead from LinkedIn, it is automatically added as my contacts in Google Contacts. So to do this, I'm going to use this amazing automation software Pabbly. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUBPC to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly lifetime and yearly plans. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Now here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon. From here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is more and faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'll name this workflow as how to automatically save LinkedIn leads to Google Contacts for digital marketing agencies. And now I need to select my folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as LinkedIn automation and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. Now as soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from LinkedIn, it is automatically added to my Google Contacts, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking LinkedIn, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will be taking Google Contacts. So here in my trigger application, let me quickly take LinkedIn. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as lead notifications and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with LinkedIn. Now here you need to enter your LinkedIn credentials, after which you have to click on this sign in and grant away the permission. Now here, as I have already an existing connection, I've created this connection multiple times. So I'm going to save this and you will see LinkedIn will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and here connection saved successfully. Now I need to select the sponsored account. If I click on this field, you can see that I have two sponsored accounts. If I open my LinkedIn, over here you can see I have this Pabbly's ad account and MB ad account. So I'm going to select this Pabbly's ad account on which I'm going to work, and after selecting this sponsored account, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. And now I need to do a test submission in order to capture this webhook response here in this workflow. In order to capture this webhook response, I'm going to do a test submission. So here I'm running a campaign which is not in live mode. I'm going to open this campaign where I have created the lead generation form. For that, I'm simply going to click on this apply now. So here, when you will be running a live campaign, your leads will get to fill all these fields. Here, these fields are auto-filled. I just get to fill email address and the phone number. So I will be submitting some dummy details to generate a lead in LinkedIn, and as I submit this, that detail should be captured in this workflow, and this is going to show us the connection setup which we have created is working fine or not. So here, I'm going to enter my email address. I'll enter my email address as test653@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to enter my phone number here. So here I'm going to enter my phone number like this, and then I'm going to click on this submit. Here, as soon as I've entered all these details should be added to my workflow received in my Pabbly Connect workflow. Let me open my workflow and check whether I have received the response or not. Here, let's wait for the webhook response for some few seconds. So here, 3 seconds ago, we have captured the response. The email address which we entered was test653@pabblytudes.com. The phone number was this 8787. The first name was Pabbly, last name was Subscription Billing Management Service, and the company name was Magnet Brains. Here, as soon as I've done this form submission, I have received that response in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add that to my Google Contacts. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'll search for Google Contacts. In my action event, I'm going to select it as create contact and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Now here I need to choose my Google account with which I have logged in my Google Contacts. And after choosing that account, I need to grant away the permission, for which I need to click on this allow. Here you will see Google Contacts will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and now I need to enter these details. So over here, I am not going to enter these details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from this LinkedIn, and when I click on this field, I can see this LinkedIn. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. Here I'm going to enter the first name as Pabbly. I'm going to skip this middle name because I have not received the response. The last name as Subscription Billing Management Service. I'll skip this name prefix and name suffix. And in this gender, I'm going to toggle on this mapping button and remove this gender and keep this field empty. In this email work, I'm going to enter the email address which I have received, which is this test@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to skip all of these fields. I'll enter the company as Magnet Brains. Then I'll skip these fields. In the phone number, I'll enter this particular phone number which I have received from the response. Now over here, these fields are not required one. I'm going to keep these fields empty also. So I'm going to toggle on the mapping button and remove this. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After entering all these details, I am going to click on save and send test request, and you will see as I receive the response, instantly a contact will be created in my Google Contacts. Here, let's wait for the response. and we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my Google Contacts and refresh the page here, and here we have created this particular contact. If I open this, we can see the name is Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. The email address which we entered was this, test653@pabblytudes.com. This was the phone number, and here we have the rest of the details like the company name. Now to summarize, we took LinkedIn as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, then we wanted to add that to Google Contacts. We took our action application as Google Contacts, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally created this as a contact in my Google Contacts. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between LinkedIn and Google Contacts using Pabbly Connect. I've attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUBPC to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly purchase. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.